Discover Gothenburg, Sweden, a Scandinavian gem. Welcome to Gothenburg, Sweden, where the charm of Scandinavian culture meets modern innovation. Situated on the west coast, Gothenburg is Sweden's second-largest city, renowned for its picturesque canals, vibrant cultural scene, and rich maritime history. Begin your journey with a visit to the stunning Gothenburg archipelago. A short ferry ride from the city, these islands offer a serene escape with breathtaking views, quaint fishing villages, and opportunities for kayaking, sailing, and island hopping adventures. Nature enthusiasts will find a haven in the Gothenburg Botanical Garden, one of the largest and most impressive in Europe. Wander through beautifully curated landscapes, discover exotic plants, and enjoy the tranquility of this urban oasis. Step back in time as you explore the historic Haga district. Known for its well-preserved wooden houses, cobblestone streets, and cozy cafes, Haga offers a glimpse into Gothenburg's past. Don't miss out on enjoying a traditional Swedish fika with freshly baked cinnamon buns. For a thrill-filled day, head to Liseberg, one of Europe's most beloved amusement parks. With exciting rides, beautiful gardens, and live entertainment, Liseberg promises fun for visitors of all ages. During the holiday season, the park transforms into a magical winter wonderland. Gothenburg is a cultural treasure trove. The Gothenburg Museum of Art boasts an impressive collection of Nordic and international masterpieces. Live music, theater performances, and art exhibitions further enrich the cultural fabric of this dynamic city. Gothenburg, Sweden, is a city that captivates with its unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and modern vibrancy. Whether exploring its scenic archipelago, indulging in culinary delights, or immersing in cultural experiences, Gothenburg promises unforgettable memories. Good vibes only.